Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Have you ever experienced hanging issues on your mobile device? Trust me, it can be so frustrating. The moment you want to use your mobile device but you discover that the phone is just slow, overheating and all that, it can be so frustrating. So in today's video, I'm going to be explaining the 10 solutions to the hanging problems. Number 1, always close background apps to stop Android from hanging. Even if you're not using that app at that moment, it can be running in your background, causing overheat in your phone, and can also be, it can be using your data without your permission to process a lot of things. So how do you do this? What you do is that you go to your recent bar menu on your phone. When you go there, any app that you know that you're not using at that moment, you just close it. Okay. Number 2, if you are still facing hanging issues on your phone after trying the first tips that I gave to you, then I think you should try this second one. This second one says restart your device to stop Android hanging or lagging. Okay, so most of the time it's always good to switch off our phone, or maybe just to reboot it at times, just like the computer, because there are a lot of bugs, there are a lot of cache, a lot of things that will be running on your phone. You might not even know it. At times you just discover that your phone is just hitting by itself. Always turn off your phone at least 30 seconds, then you can on it, or you can just turn it off 10 seconds and on it. When you do this, you are going to refresh your phone system, and it can help your phone to run smoothly and better. For the number 3, after you have tried the second one, if it did not still work, you try this one, update system software. Okay. The thing is that every phone always have this manufacturing update. It can come up anytime. So it's always good, if you discover that your phone is beginning to hang or is lagging, then you need to go to your phone setting and check if there's any new update or any new program that has been added or any updates on your mobile phone. You will see a notification on your settings. So at times what I do on my own phone is that I turn on my settings. Anytime I'm having a data or have a Wi-Fi, it sends me a notification. Then I can go and update my phone. At times you might see some kind of display on your screen. It looks as if your screen is damaged. You might think that your screen is bad, or you might go and spend money repairing screen. Meanwhile, it is the updates that is the problem. If you have tried this number 3 and it's not still working, on my list here, what I have for number 4 is always clear app cache and data. On our phone, there are some apps that we do use. There are some files. Even if we delete them, those cache will still be there. The data for those files that have been deleted will be there. And these things can cause our phone to hang. Even there are some apps that we do use on the phone. If you keep using these apps continuously, bugs will be building in. So what do? You go to your setting, you go to my apps. When you click on the apps, you go to the a specific app in that my apps, then try and clear the cache. If an app is not running smoothly, it will affect your phone processor, and your phone processor might not be able to function well because of a specific app. What is on my list for number 5? If you have tried number 4, it's not going well. What is on my list for number 5 is to disable animation. Enabling animations on your phone can also be the reason why your phone is hanging with time. So it's always good to disable it. So I'm going to be showing us how we can disable animations on our phone. Then number 6 on my list, free up storage space. Some of us, we use our phone, we continue to load it even when the thing is telling us delete some files, but we never listen. We keep piling up files and you refuse to delete some things. Tell me, how do you think your phone is going to run smoothly? It's not going to run smoothly because you are putting pressure on the phone in order for it to free up the space. Delete some unwanted apps. If you have a movie that you have watched before in the past, delete them, because these apps, these videos, these files can be the reason why your phone is hanging or being sluggish. Okay, let's move to the next one. Number 7, use light version of apps. Now that's why I now like the way they are building apps these days. If they are building any app, they build the light version of it. Example of apps like this is Facebook. We have normal Facebook, we have Flight, we have Instagram, we have Flight. There are a lot of apps that comes with their light version. If you're a type of person that maybe you just like viewing videos or you like posting short videos, if you are a Facebook lover, you can go for light, because some of these apps do come with other files, and those files, they can cause your phone to be lagging if you have so many of them, and if you do not manage your space or storage properly, it can cause your phone to be hanging, and most of those apps will be crashing. So it's always good that we go for a light version of apps, in order to save storage and to prevent our phone from unnecessary hanging. Number 8, disable or uninstall unused apps. It's just like my number 6, disable and uninstall unused apps. Okay, let's look at number 9. Number 9 says enable high performance mode to stop Android lagging. There are some Android devices that have this feature, this enable high performance feature. If you have it on your phone, always turn it on, because it's going to help you to speed up anything that you are doing on your phone. If you want to know where it is, go to your settings. You will see it, your shortcut settings. You see it there. You see high performance, low performance, depending on your device. And there are some self that when your phone is about to run down or is low, it's going to switch to another mode entirely. So if you have this feature on your phone, it's good for you to turn it on in order for you to stop your phone from hanging or lagging. Let's look at number 10. If you have tried everything that I've said in this video from 1 till 9 and it did not work, my dear, your phone might be suffering from virus. You can simply flash it, or better still, you format it. Then your phone is going to be free from all these hanging issues, even overheating. Alright, I have another one that I want to even add. This one is just a bonus. If you have a hanging issues on your phone, at times it could be virus. It could be virus that is in your phone. What you just need to do is for you to install an antivirus into your phone. Scan your phone. Scan to know the condition of your file. So if they have virus, then those apps can detect it for you. And there are some mobile devices that do come with their own antivirus and their own security cleaner. If your own phone has a security cleaner like mine, you can use it to clean up your phone. If you have learned one or two things from this video, and if this video has added value to you, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.